Hello everybody. First of all, take my salam and assalamu alaikum. And this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so today I am standing here at this moment and I'm gonna share with you my daily routine. Okay, so let's get start this my routine. So actually my routine is quite simple, and I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. and I every day wake up early in the morning. Okay, so because when I early in the morning wake up and my health, actually I feel like very fresh and very energetic. And you can also wake up early in the morning, and then I actually my day start some light exercise like running and like stretching to feel refreshed. Okay, so and then I have a healthy breakfast, and after breakfast I am ready to go my work. And actually one the day, actually depending that day, and I am ready to go my work. And actually uh, I am a shopkeeper, and as well as I am a English crazy learner. Okay, so actually my shop opening 9 a.m. Okay, so in the afternoon time I return my home and I have lunch with my family. And after lunch, and I work some personal work and with my family. Okay, so dear friends, actually in the evening time, and I go to my make a video for any different type of different place. And like now I'm standing here in our mustard field. Okay, so actually evening time I every day evening time totally free. And after two, actually evening time 2 or 3 video I make, and then I also I again go to my shop, and our shop closed 8 p.m. and also return my home. And I have dinner actually 9 p.m. and I go to bed around 11 p.m. and actually I have dinner with my family, all members, because our family actually joint family but not nuclear family. So actually joint family very good, and I love joint family because all family members also actually love me, because I also joint family I like. So this is my daily routine. Okay, so actually my another video I already mentioned I am a joint family. Actually this is my daily routine. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.